In this video, we're going to look at how to solve quadratics by factoring. So we've got two methods. One is finding the greatest common factor. That usually happens when we only have two terms. So if I look at these two guys, they both have an x in common. And if I divide them both by x, I'm left with x minus 6. So I set each factor equal to 0. And I solve, so this one's already solved. For this one I add 6 and I get x equals 6. So again, that's the greatest common factor method. Usually happens when you only have two terms. If I want to solve by factoring, like this guy on the right, I need to set it equal to 0. So I'm going to add 30. Gives me x squared minus 11x plus 30 equals 0. And now I need an x times an x in order to get x squared. And I need to think of two numbers that add to be negative 11 and multiply to be positive 30. Well, the only way I can get that to happen, or if I have a negative 5 and a negative 6, now that I have two factors that are equal to 0, I'm going to set each factor equal to 0. So I add 5 and x equals 5. I add 6 and x equals 6.